Okay, here's a fairly simple experiment. That is milk.
Almond milk.
Yes, almond milk, but still milk the same. Just pour it all in, baby. Okay. Put that down.
Okay.
Now put like just one squirt of each color. Try to put it in the middle.
On each color?
Try to put it right in the middle. Perfect, that's good. And do the colors right next to each other.
And then we're gonna put that soap on it and it's gonna make a picture.
Yeah, come on. Go ahead with the next one.
This one only one drop.
Just one drop right next to it. And we're using green and red and blue. Is no more? We've been doing so many experiments. Okay, if there's no more, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to have blue, baby. It's fine, Gabriella. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I can still have this. It's fine. I can still have this. Because if I put that thing inside the thing, it works.
Okay. Now we're going in with the red right next to the green. If you can get it right next to the green or close to it. Put some more, baby. A little bit more. A little bit more. Can you get close to the green? Can you put it close to the green?
This just
okay. Now what we have right here is, hold on a second, baby. That's just a little shot glass, haha, from Carnival, of course. That has soap in it. We have Palmolive soap. I'm sure the soap doesn't really matter. And a Q-tip is soaking in the soap. Okay, go ahead. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna touch. Let me come this way. You're gonna touch one of the colors with the Q-tip. Come on, baby. That's enough soap in there. Boom. How cool is that? And of course, if the colors are really close, I mean, it still came out really pretty. If the colors are close to each other when you dap them in there, it just makes it extra pretty. But this came out really cool. I actually found this experiment on YouTube. We had done a couple of experiments with vinegar and baking soda, and I was trying to see if there was any with just for food coloring without the baking soda and vinegar, and I found this one. So I hope you guys like it, and if you try it, let us know. Thanks. Bye.